Every 3 minutes, a senior wakes up in the dead of night to hit the bathroom, losing those precious hours of deep sleep that are key to staying sharp, healthy, and energized. If you're over 60 and find yourself shuffling to the bathroom multiple times a night, you're definitely not alone. But here's the thing: what if it's not just your bladder? What if it's your bedtime habits? In today's video from the Inner Health Way, we're diving into 5 sneaky nighttime habits that could be making you pee more often, and easy natural fixes to help you sleep like a rock. Before we get started, give this video a quick like if you're all about better sleep and feeling your best. Subscribe to the Inner Health Way to join our community of folks taking charge of their health the natural way, and drop a comment below. How many times are you getting up at night to pee? We'd love to hear from you. Habit number 1: drinking or eating watery foods. Too close to bedtime. You've probably heard, "Don't chug water before bed." Sounds simple, right? But here's where it gets tricky. A lot of us forget that things like soup, juicy fruits, herbal teas, or even some meds are packed with hidden fluids. Your kidneys don't punch out at night. They're still working hard, processing everything you've had. That late night chamomile tea or slice of watermelon, it could have your bladder waking you up by 2 a.m. The fix? Set a no fluids rule at least 3 hours before bed. No drinks, no watery snacks. This one tweak has helped tons of people cut their nighttime bathroom runs and finally get some solid shut-eye. Habit number 2: eating dinner too late, especially foods that make you pee. A late dinner might be messing with your sleep more than you think. Foods like tomatoes, cucumbers, watermelon, green tea, or dark chocolate act like diuretics, sending you to the bathroom more at night. When you eat late, your digestion slows down once you hit the sack, so those compounds hang around longer and nudge your bladder awake. Try wrapping up dinner earlier, say, before 7 p.m., and skip those diuretic foods after 4 p.m. Making this switch can calm your bladder down, letting you sleep longer and wake up feeling like $1,000,000. Habit number 3: hitting the bathroom, just in case. Before bed. Here's one that might catch you off guard. A lot of us head to the bathroom before bed, even if we don't really need to, just to play it safe. But this habit can actually train your bladder to overreact, making it think it needs to empty even when it's barely got anything in there. That's why you're waking up at night for no good reason. Instead, only go if you really feel the urge. If you don't, distract yourself. Grab a book, listen to some calm music, or take a few deep breaths until the feeling passes. This bladder retraining trick can help your bladder hold more and cut down those nighttime trips, giving you longer stretches of peaceful sleep. Habit number 4: sleeping in the wrong position or with bad pillows. The way you sleep can do more than just give you a stiff neck. It can mess with your bladder too. Sleeping on your stomach or using the wrong pillows can put pressure on your bladder and blood vessels, making you need to pee more at night. Try switching to sleeping on your side with a pillow tucked between your knees. This takes the pressure off your bladder, boosts blood flow, and cuts down on fluid buildup that triggers those bathroom runs. Loads of folks have slashed their nighttime wake-ups just by making this simple change, waking up feeling rested and ready to tackle the day. Habit number 5: sleeping in a hot room or heavy pajamas. Here's a big one that flies under the radar: your bedroom temperature. A toasty room or thick pajamas can throw off melatonin and vasopressin, two hormones that help keep nighttime peeing in check. Your body's supposed to cool down while you sleep, but if you're overheating, your kidneys kick into overdrive, sending you to the bathroom. Keep your room nice and cool, around 18 to 20 degrees or 64 to 68 degrees, and swap those heavy PJs for light, breathable ones like cotton. This small tweak has helped so many people cut their nighttime bathroom trips by half, leaving them with deeper, more refreshing sleep. Conclusion: here's the rundown from The Inner Health Way to help you sleep better. Cut out fluids and watery foods 3 hours before bed. Finish dinner early and skip diuretic foods after 4 p.m. Only hit the bathroom when you really need to. Sleep on your side with a pillow between your knees, and keep your room cool with light, comfy pajamas. These easy changes can let you sleep through the night, lower your risk of stumbling in the dark, sharpen your memory, boost your energy, and put you back in control of your health. Give these tips a shot tonight and let us know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Inner Health Way, and hit that notification bell for more natural health tips. Let's work together to live healthier, happier lives, one great night's sleep at a time.